Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever managed data inside Smartsheet and found yourself battling duplicate values, today's tutorial is tailor-made for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up an automated workflow to identify, handle, and remove duplicates from your Smartsheet database, saving you tons of manual effort and frustration. Let's jump right in and walk through the process together. Alright, imagine you've got a sheet filled with important data, maybe it's a client list or a log of support tickets. After some time, you notice that some entries appear more than once. To make things simple for this example, let's say you've already starred the duplicates in your sheet. Starring is a handy way to quickly visually flag or mark the duplicate rows so you can target them with automation. If you haven't starred the duplicates yet, just go through and add a star to any repeated value you want Smartsheet to catch. Now we're ready to set up our automation. Head up to the top menu and click on Automation. This is where the magic happens. From here, select Create Workflow from Scratch. Don't worry if this sounds a bit technical, it's much easier than it seems, and I'll guide you through each click. For when the automation should run, choose when rows are added or changed. This means your workflow will always keep an eye out for new or updated rows, instantly searching for potential duplicates each time the data changes. Think of this like a security guard, always on watch, so nothing slips past unnoticed. Now let's get more specific. We want this to focus on the rows you've marked as duplicates with a star. To set this up, create a condition for your workflow, something like if starred is checked. This way, only the rows you've specifically marked will be included in the automated action. This is a really efficient method because it gives you precise control and prevents the workflow from moving the wrong rows by accident. Next, choose the action Move Rows. Here, you're going to select the target location for these duplicate rows, which, in this example, we'll call the Remove Duplicate sheet. If you don't already have a sheet for this purpose, just create one quickly and name it something easy to remember. This step is crucial because moving duplicates instead of deleting them outright gives you a backup, just in case you need to review or restore any removed data later. Think of it like sweeping dust into a dustpan. You get it out of the main workspace, but you don't throw it away immediately. Once everything's filled in your trigger, your condition, your action, and your destination sheet, click Save on your new workflow. Smartsheet will now keep this workflow on standby. It's a good idea to do a test before relying on it entirely, so hit Test Now. This runs the workflow immediately using your current data. You'll see prompts to select triggers for your test. Just choose the rows you want to try it out on. Then go ahead and run the workflow. Smartsheet will process according to the rules you set up. Moving any starred duplicate rows into your Remove Duplicate sheet. Take a moment to check that sheet and confirm that only the rows you expected have moved and nothing else. And that's it. You've now automated duplicate management in Smartsheet, which not only saves you manual work, but also reduces errors and keeps your data cleaner. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have questions or run into a snag, drop a comment below. I always try to respond and help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, actionable Smartsheet and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.